So Professor Liu is going to teach you a way to uh, improve the first one we did it. When the first one we did, we noticed fine, we were using interface, then but every single thing has to implement to that, and I have to write average and follow exactly the same way here. So we want to improve this program. Okay, so to improve this program, and we want to do this to the first one, the situation is, so everything has to implement measurable. It will be not allowed to any library class like rectangle, eclipse. You are not allowed to go into your Java Bible, say I'm going to modify you and this. They cannot do that. So we want to do a little bit more reasonable way, and this is very very uh, a new concept is this right now. So we want to put a callback function, which inside this callback function pass into another function as argument. So remember, in the argument you can only pass a variable or the address for another function. But Java doesn't have pass by reference, this type of thing. So they are going to pass entire function, but you cannot pass function. You're going to pass a measure. You're going to pass entire interface here, that data type here. And once you put right here, you can use in the future. You understand? All right. So let's do our number 2 right now. So our number 2. So our number 2, we still doing the same thing. We still have our interface measurer. Remember, this is measurer, your interface right now. So your interface measurer has one method. The method will measure anything in the world, any objects. So this will be including the class you created, also include any library class, because this is what we say. All right, this is what we say. All right, since what we say that, and let's come here right now. All right, so first we have now we are not going to to force everybody become a implement measurable. We can do that, but we are going to do this. Okay, we are going to do this here. All right, so we create something right here. Now we create something here. So once we create something here, so number 1, we create this any objects. So look, we create any objects, and we're going to take the any object, the thing you created, okay, the things you created, or the thing in the library created, whatever you created, fine. All right, but now everybody is going to use measurer right now. So you make say you didn't implement, that's fine, whatever is fine, but now once you get into here, let's everybody use this measurer's way. Once we do that, you agree that, then you do area measurer, then you implement measurer, and you have your object right here, then your object here, then and you return area. All right, so on the measure tester right here, I have several things here, right here. Okay. So, and I do area measurer. Remember area measurer here is, you know, I have a rectangle here, and I'm just going to get my rectangle and return area. Okay, so then I'm just going to get this area there, and I can average them. No matter how many things I have, I can average them. So let's run this right now. So as, run as a Java application. So average area is 625. Let me double check that, probably wrong. Okay, let's go to our all right. So yeah, that's correct, because that's what 20 times 30 is what. Oh, can anyone check this is correct for me? 20 plus times 30 is 600. Let me double check. Anybody check for me? Is this one, the area is 600? Is that right? Let me double check. This one is 600. This one is 1200. This one is 75. Is that correct right now? Let's do it. Let me do that, okay? So we add them together and divide it. See if that's correct, okay? Yeah, that's correct, okay? So, so that's what we have right now. So now